In a class, if two of the class fellows had a crush on the same girl, they both start fight for her one day. When they both fight, the whole class will enjoy the fight. The same thing is happening between these two countries. While India and Pakistan spending huge income on military, while other countries are enjoying it. Whether you accept it or not, they both depend on each other. If India and Pakistan become friends economically, both nations will be benefited. Let's see more interesting things about what happens when these two nations become friends. So watch the full video. Welcome to the Minuscule show. If you are new to our channel, please hit subscribe and click the bell icon for interesting video updates. No terrorism. If India and Pakistan become friends, India will have no tension regarding terrorist attack. If Pakistan become friendly country with India, Pakistan will channel its never-ending supply of terrorists to either Afghanistan or any other country that it finds suitable. This would eventually increase foreign direct investment, since the investors will be assured that their investment will be secured in India and remain safe. Kashmir will be known as what it is actually, if there will be no cross-border terrorist attack by Pakistan, which helps in establishing peace in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Once again, people from the world, in fact India, will able to see paradise of earth. Once again, India can use huge amount of money for the development of Kashmir, and also another part of the country, which actually being used for fighting against terrorism and for security. Tourism. There might be an increase in number of Indian tourists in Pakistan and India. India having a lot of destinations from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, which could provide a dream holidays for Pakistani people. From tourism, India can gain a lot of income from its neighbor. It would no longer remain the dream for the people of Pakistanis to visit the Taj Mahal and also to enjoy the scenic beauty of India. Trade booms. Pakistan hasn't given most favored nation status to India. Due to the hostile relationship between India and Pakistan, full-fledged trade has not been possible. Due to harassment by custom officials, political tensions between these two countries, informal trade is easier, and it is ease in routing of goods through a third country like Dubai. If these two countries become friends, direct trade is possible, so that there is very large trade potential between these two nations. The trade between India and Pakistan will increase. Based on the survey conducted in India and Dubai, its analysis states that informal trade estimated to be $4.71 billion. India's exports to Pakistan are estimated to be $3.99 billion, and imports from Pakistan $0.72 billion. Space mission program. India spends 9,000 crore on space program per year. This is a huge money for them. The main reason for this huge amount in space program is space race between these two nations. Even though they both are a competitor, Pakistan can't able to spend huge money as India did. In India, the country is densely populated, and 22% of people is below poverty line. So if India and Pakistan become friends, this figure will go down, and Indian government will spend huge amount on people's welfare. Pakistan don't need to depend on China for their space missions. India will help Pakistan more in conducting space missions programs than China. Pakistan don't need China's CPEC, Pakistan Economic Corridor-like project, where the country may face huge loss in the future. Defense. India's defense budget for the year 2020 to 2021 is about 3.37 lakh crores. The main reason for this humongous amount in defense budget is that the relationship of India with its neighborhood countries, like Pakistan and China, is not smooth. Still, now India and Pakistan involved more than 4 wars, so that the tension between these two nations is always high. So if India and Pakistan become friends, hypothetically this huge budget will be reduced to 30%, because the main reason for this budget is to build a strong Indian army, to safeguard itself from Pakistan and its threats. If these both nations become friends, this reduced 30% of amount from defense budget is utilized effectively in countries' other major issues, like education, food, poverty, etc. Also, both countries will conduct joint military exercise, and the Indian defense export will increase rapidly. For example, Wagah border between India and Pakistan, both countries can spend huge part of their budget in the development of their nation, instead of military. Social practices. In case of any kind of natural disaster in Pakistan, India will help Pakistan with relief supplies, and funds like it helped Nepal before, at the time of earthquake. The sector of medical tourism also gain a lot of boost, if the people of Pakistan start getting their visa to India easily. Right now, India is the cheapest option for Pakistan from their neighborhood, as far as medical expenditure is considered. Unity in religion. If India and Pakistan become friends, it'll be a biggest example of unity of two religion in the world. US, China, Russia will not be able to play their cards on Indo-Pak bad relations no more. If India and Pakistan become friends, both countries can lead the world together, and play a better role in getting peace in Asia. Let us all hope in the coming days the hatred between the nations may vanish, and both of the countries will work together for their mutual benefits. The giveaway question is here. Give the answer in comment section. What is the title of the video? Stay tuned for next question.